expressed by a section of Kenyans,
yes,
as regards your suitability for the position of a Supreme Court judge.
Yes.
And these concerns were made known to us as the Judicial Service Commission via a letter dated 8th of April 2026, which we have since brought it to your attention. Did you get that letter?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I'm hearing it for the first time. But I suspect I know what it could say. Probably just say it.
Okay. Let me just bring to your attention what the section of Kenyans are saying. They're expressing their misgivings about your candidature. Firstly, they are concerned over the fact that you've been a lawyer for His Excellency President William Ruto, and who is likely to be a candidate in the elections of 2027. The fear that these Kenyans have is that in the event that you're successful and you join the 6 judges in the Supreme Court, and then thereafter there is a petition challenging presidential elections for the year 2027, their fear is that you are likely not to be impartial. What do you have to say to this?
Okay, so first of all, it is true I have represented him. May I say that I intend to be as objective and neutral in my discharge of my functions as a judge. And so the fear is well, I can't say it is ill-informed. I can understand the concerns, but I just want to give the assurance that I would be fair and I would only deal with facts and the law. I would also like to say 2 other things, commissioners. The first one is I am aware that that concern has been, and that's why I was saying I have suspicions that of what the letter is, and I must complain that you didn't share the letter with me so that I would have a more structured answer to the question. But let me just answer to this effect. That I have looked at the totality of judges, right from the High Court, Court of Appeal to Supreme Court. Looking at the totality of them, you would almost say about 50% of them were lawyers. And so for me to be told that you have a disadvantage because you represented a particular individual would be a borderline case of discrimination, because I would be being treated differently just because of the type of the client I represented, when in fact every other person who escalated to the status of a judge who was an advocate is not being subjected to the same disadvantage. And so, commissioners, with a lot of humility, I would pray that first of all, you look at me for what I stand for, integrity, fairness, and justice, and that I will apply the law fairly and objectively. But secondly, that